What happened? What happened to the niggas just be on the corner selling that marijuana? Nigga don't know. Nigga still speaking that bullshit, blasphemy though. Like yeah, roll up a Dutch hoe. Cause in this world we gotta blow. Shit gotta change. It's not a game. How you live your life, yeah, it's all about the fame. What you think is about the game? Yeah, dollars and the fame. Niggas don't know, I don't even know a name, but a niggas know the game. Like me and my name is an infamous, and my niggas know me on the game. This is me, shit, and we some MCs for life, yeah. Don't talk shit to me. This is in this world, out of this world, see who will really be. This is Donna infamous, which my niggas still hit the top. 007 and shit.
Mr. Donna, straight biscuits and gravy. Come through, low kisses to babies. Sick like rabies, trying to make history. Why these rap niggas speak blasphemy? Top 5 nigga ask for me. NONFICTION. Nigga, you seeing me? Flow great, nigga, I make static electricity. Shoot a nigga in the legs, stop their mobility. Who fucking with me? Nobody see. Obviously, I'm one of the best, I should be respected. That niggas get neglected. That niggas don't check shit, run backwards like words from an anorexic. Told y'all niggas ass backwards. I will outlast any of these niggas that stand to be an outcast. I spit lyrical concepts, it's a gift. You talk shit, nigga, I don't give a shit. I'm a fucking lyricist on this microphone, man. Caliber, shoot it, hold it tight, grip till I get calloused. I'm the rap Mr. McAllister. That means I'm running it, man, I had enough of it. Niggas be bluffing shit. I march with my movement, kick down the White House, burn it down, nigga, fuck the government. Niggas ain't relating. I'm one of the best, hot like Satan. Never sell my soul, I'm not a Freemason. Let's do what I gotta do, nigga, this an instance. It's gonna lose, nigga, I'm burning down the blueprint. Walking through the homes of the homes where niggas don't even think. Kings of the chrome, man, I wet like a kitchen sink. I mean, I got the liquor in my system rolling through my veins. Look in my eyes, read my heart, nigga, you can feel my pain. Come from the same blocks you do. Nigga, don't let nothing move you. Any obstacle in life, nigga, you can break through. Stand up tall, get off your ass, it's time for a breakthrough. A million man marching, a million man movement. We need to have another damn million man movement. And then maybe we can change some shit. Telepathy, niggas dying for jealousy.
Yo, it's your boy Don.
Donna X, Donna X, Donna X. Yes, I represent for life forever. Birds of a feather, my nigga, we gon' flock together, no matter the weather. However, these niggas keep talking bullshit, trying to challenge my ledger. I'm one of the best, I'm leading my legion. I see fiends soaked up, leaking with legions. I see babies unhugged and unkissed. I see opportunities in the street just missed. I see through the eyes of the lines you can't see. The ability for me to rap is something can't be. I want it so bad, I lust for it. Every time I hold the microphone, I got adrenaline rush for it. Tell y'all niggas I'm the hero for the heroes. Flow like dope, nigga, call me Mr. Heron. Gonna move on, gotta do it cause I gotta make it. The sacrifices in life, I gotta take it. Say man, I know I've been nice. Sacrifice for your life, send a little Jesus Christ. Somebody gotta die for one to be born. So long and on the dawn, don't break us from sworn in. Life entertaining it, I'ma take it back. bloodline, this shit in the back of my neck. I represent the shit to the fullest. For the ghetto niggas with the guns, black tees and hoodies. For the bitches with the white beaters and the jeans on. Gotta get the money, gotta get the cream on. Gotta get the movement, get your Dr. King on. Get your Malcolm X, get your Breathing Frank on. Get your Freedom Rings on, get the thing on. Man, you gotta rap even if you sing on. We gotta pray on and stay on. The ghetto marijuana haze on. Now I call it my seance. I'm one of the best in the business. As God is my witness. Man, I'ma make it. It's funny how niggas watch you move up and then plot the things and take everything you hold sacred. So God, please guard me from the ungodly niggas that wanna harm me. Cause my flow retarded, cerebral palsy. Why they wanna stop and pause me? I pray for my enemies despite the fact they wanna harm me. And I ain't do nothing to these niggas. I was born with this gift. I know I'm this shit. I refuse to quit. I came too far from spitting like somebody else to great bars. Y'all mediocre, y'all not even on my level, fool. I'm too incredible, whole different pedestal. I'm above average, I'm better than you bastards. I will be one of the top niggas, the last man standing, handling this shit. I spit that cocaine flow. I swear, the shit is enough to turn out an evangelist. And then I come back with more shit. This is the more gift. I told y'all niggas I'ma make it for sure. It's like a hurricane Katrina attack, nigga. Cause I spit, I make the rain pour. And I get my fucking thing on. Them guns, man, you know they get their bang on. And your brains get that drain on. All over your teeth, so nasty. Down with a tragedy. Why they speak blasphemy? Greatness is me, so if you wanna hear, just ask for me. Non-Don represent a full life. My nigga X, that's my nigga for life. My nigga Rel, that's my nigga for life. My nigga G, that's my nigga for life. I represent this shit, something great. It's Non-Don, key to an 8. Yeah, I represent for life. I represent for life, nigga. And it's something better, something greater, something worth representing. Y'all niggas will never be on our level. We so up high, y'all so down low. You must have missed it. You must be a midget. You biological misfit. Keep missing, nigga. Listen. No comparisons to Mr. Fiction. Talk about the life that you live in, and it won't even compare to the comparisons that I be spitting. So when you spit, it just sounds embarrassing. It's me. Youngest in charge. It's not a mirage. Like an erection, nigga. I'ma go hard.